Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. The previous lesson we learned numbers from 0 to 20. I hope you remember them well, so we can study further. Урок 5. We are going to learn numbers from 21 to 100. I hope you understood Russian pronunciation, so this lesson let's try to learn without transcription. Let's begin. Please don't forget to listen to the numbers and repeat after me. In English, you say tens first and then units. In Russian, the rule is the same. It's very simple, isn't it? 20 plus 1 is 21. I think you can count from 22 to 29 by yourself. 22, 23, and so on. Now, we'll be doing numbers in tens. 30, 40, it's the only number which is different from all others. 5 plus 10 is 50. 50. Numbers from 60 to 80 are made the same way. Let's try. 60, 70, 80. Numbers 90 and 100 are exceptions, and you have to remember them. 90. And the last number, 100. Let's practice numbers to see how well you have learned them. I give you a number and you will have some seconds to say it. And I'll give you a correct answer. Don't forget to repeat after me. Let's begin. Yes, it's 56. 23. Well done. Let's move on. What answer do you have? If 49, it's correct. Good. 97. Well done. And the last number is a challenge. 187. Did you have the correct answer? Great. Let's move on. Now we can use numbers in the next question. Сколько вам лет? If you use it in the formal situation. And сколько тебе лет? If you want to use it informally. Let's answer both questions. Мне 29 лет. Let's summarize numbers from 21 to 100. Listen and repeat. 21, 22, 23, 30, 40, don't forget it's an exception, 50, 60, 70, 80, and last two numbers you have to remember. 90, 100. You did a great job today. I hope you remembered all numbers. Feel free to watch this video as much as you need. Next lesson we are going to learn Russian alphabet. Thanks for watching. Пока!